Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be styling my hair, this hot mess. I'm gonna be doing a twist out with perm rods, and yeah, I'm hoping that's gonna turn out well. We're gonna see what that's gonna look like. Don't forget to subscribe. I feel like I'm spitting everywhere. Just don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and turn on your notifications. If you want to see another hairstyle, comment below. I hope you like it. I hope I'm gonna like it. We're gonna see how this goes. See, this is gonna be what I'm working with right now. I look mad. I look crazy. I'm gonna work in sections starting from the back and then coming to the front. So I'm just gonna first start off by brushing out the hair that I'll be working with. Twist my hair for a little bit, like from just the roots, just to stretch out my hair a bit more. And then I'm gonna add the perm rods on the ends. I'm not gonna like section it like neatly. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna be quite rough with it. So I thought it would be easier just doing a voiceover for the rest of the video. So here we go. So my hair is currently stretched out because I had a hairstyle before where I blow dried my hair, so it was easy to get it pretty much straight right now. So what I do is just make sure that I thoroughly brush my hair, making sure I take out all the knots. What I'm putting on my hair right now is from Shea Decadence. It's the hair milk, and I absolutely love this product. I don't use too much because I don't want to get it wet and revert. And the next step is the leave-in conditioner by Shea Decadence again, and I use about that much, and I just put that onto my hair as well, again not using too much, so my hair doesn't revert back to being curly. And I just comb through it again. I'm going to do the same steps with the other piece of hair as well. So just making sure that each section is creamed and thoroughly brushed. It is important that you brush your hair. The next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the Twist and Seal Balm, again by Shea Decadence, and this is their Ayurvedic line, and I love it. So I just seal in that moisture with that balm, and I'm gonna start twisting my roots. So I just twist the beginning of my hair. So the next step that I do is the foam by Creme of Nature, their styling foam. Unfortunately, you can't see me wrapping my hair in this shot, so I'm gonna have a close-up of that later on in the video. That one didn't go too well, so I decided to do that again. So I just literally wrap because my hair is long. I can't, I've got to just make sure all of the hair fits into the perm rod, so I overlay the hair on each other. So this is a close-up of how I do that. So I make sure I brush my hair, and then I smooth it down with my fingers. Just smoothing it all the way down, making sure that that hair is smooth before it goes into the perm rod. And even on the perm rod, I smooth my ends onto the perm rod, just making sure it's all smooth. on there, and it basically stops you from getting curls. So just like my natural curls coming back. So I just make sure it's smooth, really, really smooth on that perm rod. And then I wrap the ends with my hair, so I overlay my other hair over my ends just to make sure that it doesn't unravel. And then I wrap the rest of the hair onto the perm rod, and I just pull a little bit taut onto the perm rod just to make sure it's a little bit tight, and that the hair is smooth. And then I put the clip on the end. Now I'm just doing that front section. So I'm done, and I'm just gonna put my headscarf and I'm gonna go to bed. Alright, it's the next day. Clearly excited about my hair, and I am taking out the perm rods. So I put the perm rods in clockwise, so I take them out anti-clockwise, and then I curl my hair again clockwise. So I'm just going to show that to you in slow motion. So right, I take out the perm rod the other way from how I put it in. For me was anti-clockwise, and then I wrap it back again, or I roll it back again clockwise. Right, now that I'm done, I'm gonna take out the twists. I'm just gonna separate the twists first. Just being careful how I go about doing that. And raveling it, and then curling it back clockwise. Again. I'm clearly enjoying life there. God knows what I was listening to. But now I am separating the hairs. I just kind of feel at the hair and just kind of feel where it naturally separates. Separate it and then curl it again clockwise, just to make sure that the curl is secured and I haven't, you know, disturbed that curl on the ends. Just keep separating. No lie, this does take a bit of time still, but it is all worth it. It is worth it. So what I didn't do, which I normally do, is I normally kind of use my Afro pick to kind of fluff out the roots, just to make my hair look a bit bigger. And it also gets rid of the lines, like the parting within the hair. If you can see in the middle, you can kind of see that parting in the middle of my head. So that would kind of get rid of that if I use my Afro pick and just picked at those roots. But because I wasn't going anywhere, I just kind of decided to just leave that step. But normally, if I was going to go out, I would just fluff out my roots just to get rid of those lines in my hair. And that is me done, looking cute, looking fly, girl.